Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a new Google account on Android device. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we need to open our settings application on our Android phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we need to find the accounts and backup setting. This one. Click on the setting, and here we have to select manage accounts, and we have to scroll down until we find the add account option. Okay, and here we have a couple of options, and since we want to set up a new Google account, we need to select a Google. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Alright, and here we can sign in with our Google account. We need to input our email or phone. But if we want to create a new account, we can click on create account. And after you sign in or create new account on your Android device, the account will be added automatically on your Android device. Alright, yes, and that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.